Learn English greetings with movie scenes.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
I don't see Alyssa.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Joe.
Hi, could you watch China for me?
How are you today, sir?
How are you, Miss Marianne?
Yeah, good, yeah. How are you?
How are you, Anne?
It's great to meet you.
Well, it's great to meet you. Bill.
It's great to meet you.
It's great to meet you, Bobby.
Listen, it's great to meet you, and you're a very attractive girl.
Good morning, Mrs. Stronghold.
Morning.
Good morning, William. How are you?
Yo, yo, what up?
Good morning.
Honey?
You say good morning and ask how is your hand.
Good evening, Death Star.
Good evening, gentlemen.
Good evening, sir. How can I help you?
Good evening.
How was your day?
How was your day?
How was your day at the beach?
I fed them already. I couldn't wait. How was your day?
How was your day?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Miss Ashton. 3 o'clock with Anna.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Leanne Toohey, nice to meet you. Come on in. Michael. Hi, May.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Daniel.
I just want to say I've heard a lot about you. Really, I've heard a lot about you too.
I've heard a lot about you.
I've heard a lot about you.
I've heard a lot about you.
It's nice to finally meet you in person.
How are you? How's it going? It's a nice handshake.
How's it going?
So how's it going up here?
Good.
How's it going then?
I got this. Pleased to meet you. And this is my...
Pleased to meet you, Miss Oswald.
How do you do?
Pleased to meet you, Barry.
Y'all are
Pleased to meet you, Patricia Kitten Braden.
Pleased to meet you, man.
Charmed.
I've been looking forward to this. You know, I've been looking forward to this all week.
Yeah, and I've been looking forward to this for 3 weeks. Bitch.
You know, I've been looking forward to this for a long time.
I've been looking forward to this moment for some time.
My name is Aubrey Bell.
Hi, my name is Chloe.
By the way, my name is...
Let's not ruin it with you talking.
That's what you think my name is?
It's Connie.
Hi, my name's Crystal. Mostly called White Girl.
It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you, finally.
It's nice to meet you too, Mister.
It's nice to meet you all.
Bacardi, I work as consul for Mr. Blue Boyle.
I work as an escort in D.C.
I work as a private contractor for the NSA.
What do you do, Mr. Dillon?
First name. Hey, what do you do for a job? You must...
What do you do for people, numbers man?
Well, I'm an engineer. No, I'm an engineer.
I'm an engineer. What am I doing here?
I'm an engineer.
Celine.
Selene, it's a pleasure to meet you.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Prote. I'm Dr. Becker.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
That's precious. It's a pleasure to meet you, too.
Everybody, thanks for coming today.
Thanks for coming today. General Shang, the pleasure is mine, really.
The pleasure is mine.
It's a pleasure. Pleasure is mine, Count Mondego.
The pleasure is mine.
The pleasure is mine. It's nice to finally meet you.
I'm excited to talk to you, too.
How was your journey?
Long.
How was your journey?
You haven't looked at my orders.
How was your journey?
It was all right. Good.
Delanne, how was your journey?
How was your journey?
It's quite long. I'm exhausted.
Did you find the place okay? Did you find the place okay?
Did you find the place okay?
Well, what brings you here today?
So what brings you here today, Kiki?
You could just share with us both of your names and what brings you here today.
What brings you here today?
Okay. It was nice talking to you, Dad. Thanks for calling.
Nice talking to you.
It's nice talking to you.
It's nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you, Alice.
Hey, let's stay in touch, all right? Check.
Corey, come on, I have to go.
See you later.
Okay.
Well, just give her a kiss from me and I'll see you later.
No, I'll go. Okay, see you later.
I gotta go. I'll see you later.
See you around. Maybe.
See you around, maybe. Goodbye. Good luck.
Yeah. See you around.
I'll see you around.
I'll see you around.
Yes, sir. You have a great day. You too.
Have a great day. Have a great day. Learn something.
Thank you very much. Have a great day. Have a great day. Okay?
Thank you so much.
Till next time.
Everything's been taken care of.
Oh, yeah, until next time.
All right. Well, it's been lovely talking to you.
Oh my gosh, I've got to talk to him.
Oh my gosh, we have to have an Aztec party. Gosh, I thought you were such a jerk.
Oh, what a pleasant surprise.
What a pleasant surprise.
The poet. What a pleasant surprise.
Oh, what a pleasant surprise.
How have you been?
How have you been?
Fine. How have you been?
Did you sleep well?
Did you sleep well?
Yeah.
Good morning. Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well?
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
So, what have you been up to lately?
What have you been up to lately?
What have you been up to lately?
So what have you been up to lately, Charlie?
What have you been up to lately?
How's life treating you?
Dan.
Hi, Donna. How's life treating you?
How's life treating you, buddy girl, huh? Now don't.
Hey, buddy. Hey, guy. Hey, little fella.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, buddy, you getting any?
Hey, buddy, it's me.
Hey. Hey, buddy, what's up?
Long time no see, right?
Long time no see, huh?
Hey, Bumper, old buddy. Long time no see.
Dog, long time no see.
Long time no see.
I missed you so much.
I've missed you so much. I've missed you so much.
How are you? I've missed you so much.
Oh, I've missed you so much. All of you.
Allow me to introduce myself. Gus Polinski.
Allow me to introduce myself.
Allow me to introduce myself.
Allow me to introduce myself, but...
Allow me to introduce myself.
I'm delighted to make your acquaintance.
Don't think so. But I'm delighted to make your acquaintance.
Delighted to make your acquaintance.
I'm delighted to make your acquaintance, ma'am. And...
I'm delighted to make your acquaintance.
Jason, we're glad to have you back today.
We're glad to have you here.
Like I said, we're glad to have you here.
Fancy meeting you here.
Fancy meeting you here.
Fancy meeting you here.
Fancy meeting you here, Mercer.
Fancy meeting you here. It's simply too lucky.
So what have you been up to all this time?
Leanne Tui, nice to meet you. Come on in. Michael?
Just listen to me. It'll come on in 30 seconds.
Come on in, Freddie. I'll talk to you later.
Yeah, come on in. Don't be shy.
Don't be so shy, Mike. Come on in.
Captain, glad to have you here.
We are glad to have you here, David.
I know we're not SC, but we are glad to have you here.
So glad to have you here, Dad.
Well, I'm glad to have you here, Mr. Wallace. Excuse me? Well, welcome aboard the Alabama, son.
Welcome aboard.
Privates Timmons, Lopez, and Levy, welcome aboard.
And welcome aboard.
Special Agent John Utah, day number 1 in L.A. Welcome aboard.